Hi fellow tuber, today I'd like to show you my new laptop. It is the Alienware M11x. Has an alien face logo on Alien FX lighting scheme, lighted speaker grill, lighted keypad, the lighted Alienware logo. Currently I'm watching Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. I'd like to show you this. Intel Core 2 Duo, 4 gig of RAM, Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. Has 1 gig of discrete video card, NVIDIA GeForce GT 335M. There you go. It's 11-inch screen. Screen resolution is 1366 by 768. Okay, I'd like to show you a little program that I got. As you can tell, my wireless, I'm not connected to a wireless network. I have the laptop here tethered to my Droid phone via USB. Let me turn it up. I'm going to hit this. It's a little program called PDA Net, and it allows you to go online using your phone's data plan. So there you go. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to click on Enable USB Tether. Okay, now I will go to my laptop. Click on PA.net here. And I'm going to click Connect. As you can see, it says connected. Now I am online using my phone's unlimited data plan. And to prove to you the connections is rather slow, just depending on your coverage. I'm currently at work in a rather in a building with lots of computers and equipment and whatnot. And as you can see, I'm connected and online. It's Engadget. Again, going to my phone, it tells you the transfer rate. Facebook. Again, it says PDA net modem internet access. Now I'm going to kill it. Turn off. And my connection terminated. There you go.
You might want to take a step back.
Now, back to watching Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief.
Hey, thanks, Luke. Nah, don't mention. But,
again,
you're
this is
gonna
my
have to
new
promise me one thing.
Alienware
See my dad on the highway to
M11x
hell? Yeah.
laptop.
Kick his ass for me.
Thank you for watching.